Okay, situation. A ceiling weighing 540 newtons is supported by three cables as shown. An isosceles triangle is formed with two angles, 45 degrees at corners B and C. So dito daw 45 degrees. Okay? So you are just asked what are the tension in cable B, C, and A. So if you will draw the free body diagram of the ceiling, as you can see, the ceiling is triangular. So meron ditong tension, no? Tension sa A, tension sa C, and then tension sa B. And then of course, yung self-weight niya will be directed somewhere here, which is sabi dito, 540 newtons. Okay? Now, knowing triangle, no? Knowing triangle, unang-una kapag tingnan natin ang cross-section ng triangular ceiling, ang sabi sa atin, ito daw ay 45 degrees. Ito daw ay 45. And by the way, this is our point A, point B, and point C. Okay? And una kong gustong i-discuss ay yung isang angle dito can be calculated because ang sum ng interior angles ng triangle ay 180. So, ibig sabihin, 45 plus 45 plus this angle should be equal to 180. And kapag 45 yung dalawa, we know that this is going to be 90 degrees. But actually, that doesn't really matter at this point because in this particular problem, we are given this length. And ito yon, bali yung height niya, no, 1.5 meter. So, we should note that yung itong weight na to should pass through the centroid of the ceiling or basically centroid ng triangle. Eh di ba ang centroid ng triangle ay matatagpuan sa one-third, no? No, one-third or two-thirds, no? Two-thirds kapag galing ka dito sa vertex. Okay, two-thirds of 1.5. And that is basically equal to 1 meter. So therefore, itong kabila, okay, which is going to give us one-third of 1.5, that is equal to 0.5 meter. Okay? So in short, itong force na to is passing through the centroid wherein it is actually 1.5 meter, 1 meter from the point A or 0.5 meter from point B. And to solve for the tension, ang gagawin ko na lang dito dahil as you can see, parallel force system lang naman to na 3D, we can just look at this axis. No? Kapag dito tayo tumingin, no, makikita natin yung ceiling parang ganito na lang siya, flat plate. 'Di ba? Tapos andito yung tension sa A, tapos andito yung tension sa B at saka sa C. Magkapatong, 'di ba? Kapag dito tayo nakatingin or dito. Kapag dito ka nakatingin, magkapatong to. Ito yan. Tapos ito, nakikita natin na they are overlapping. And of course, yung self-weight na 540 Newton. Okay? And as mentioned, yung sukat na to, dahil centroid yan, will just be 1 meter and 0.5 meter. And this is all in all 1.5. Okay, so all we have to do to solve for the tension in A is we can just take summation of moment at this point. Taking summation of moment at B or C equal to 0, assuming counterclockwise positive. So we have 540 times 0.5 minus tension at A times 1.5 equal to 0. So we can solve for the tension at A. So ito yung 540 counterclockwise. Ito naman yung TA clockwise kaya negative. Okay? And that would give us 540 times 0.5 over 1.5. So 180 Newton. Okay, so the tension in A is 180 newtons. Next, let's compute for cable B and C, no? So dito sa setup na to, we can solve for this sum. Okay? And to solve for that, all we have to do is to take summation of forces y equal to 0, assuming upward positive. So lalabas lang TA, which is 180, plus tension at B, plus tension at C, minus 540 is equal to 0. So we can solve here yung sum ng dalawa, which is gonna give us 360. Okay? Now, to solve for each, ang gagawin ko naman, dito naman ako titingin. Okay? So, pag dito tayo tumingin, pag dito tayo tumingin, nakikita naman natin, parang flat plate ulit. Okay? Na kung saan, nandito yung tension sa C, nandito yung tension sa B, and then, don't forget, nandito sa gitna yung tension sa A. Tapos, nandito ngayon yung weight na 540. Okay, so guys, dito madali nating marirealize na yung tension sa C tsaka sa B will be equal. Bakit? Kasi this is an isosceles triangle. And once we draw a line dito sa gitna, okay, so we will see that this length and this length are equal. Equal lang yan. No? So hindi ko na isa-solve kasi hindi na kailangan i-solve. So let's say ito yung distance na yon, tsaka ito. Okay, so by the way, this is 180 already. Okay? So lumalabas lang kapag nag-summation tayo ng moment or kahit ano lang, by symmetry, marirealize natin na ito tsaka to will be equal. Okay, kasi pareha sila ng layo mula dun sa gitna or mula dun sa force na to. So basically, di-divide mo lang to ng 2, di ba? Pero pakita ko na rin kung halimbawa hindi mo na-realize yun. So let's say kinuha mo yung length niyan from this triangle. Solvable naman yan. Okay, that is just tangent function. No, pero to solve for, let's say, tension sa B, we will take summation of moments sa C. So taking summation of moments sa C equal to 0, assuming counterclockwise positive, we will have 180 times Y. Tapos we have 540 times Y, pero ito ay negative kasi ito ay counterclockwise, ito naman ay clockwise. Tapos ito counterclockwise. So plus, tension sa B, ang moment arm ay 2Y. So again, magka-cancel lang yung Y na yun kaya hindi ko na sinolve. And from there, you can solve that sa tension sa B to be 180 newtons. Okay? So that's why tension sa B is 180. And then likewise, kapag ginawa naman natin yun sa kabila, mangyayari lang dyan, kapag nag-summation of forces Y tayo, so madaling ma-realize, yung tension sa C, 180 din. No? So tension sa C plus 180 yung tension sa A plus 180 yung tension sa B minus 540 equal to 0. So therefore, yung tension sa C ay 180 newtons. Okay? So that is letter B. Okay? So, actually, this is similar to a past board exam question. Ang iniba ko lang dito is yung angle na binigay dito. So, ang sa past board exam, ang binigay dito ay 60 degrees. No, 60 degrees. So, 60 degrees ito, 60 ito, tapos 60 ito. So, equilateral triangle yon. So, kapag ganun, obvious masyado na yung mga tension nitong tatlo ay equal lang. Kaya, ang solution doon, itong 540, divide mo lang ng 3. Yun na yung sagot. So, 180 din. So, ngayon, kapag isosceles triangle, kahit pala hindi equilateral, no? Kahit hindi equilateral, kahit isosceles lang, basta yung mga cable mo nandoon sa mga vertex ng triangle, ang mangyayari pa rin ay equal yung magiging tension nilang tatlo. Okay? So, basta given ka no height. Alright? And that's how we solve this problem.